Is your Indian counterpart nodding, shaking the head, or doing both at the exact same time? Today we decode the famous Indian Head Bobble. I am Andy Balbus, founder of Andy Balbus BYG Consulting. Welcome to the part 9 of Decoding India. Let's look at a moment that might confuse every European manager. You are in a meeting in Pune. Maybe you're pitching a highly complex project timeline. And you look to your lead engineers. Maybe you're waiting for a clear agreement. Instead of a standard nod for yes or shake for no, the head begins to tilt from side to side in a fluid, continuous motion. And you freeze, because maybe you think, is that a yes? Is it a no? Are they confused? Do they disagree? And you push for a direct binary answer. And instantly it makes the room feel awkward and tense. I will take a blue pen. So, what do I do? I explain you now about the amount of information in conversations. In Germany, the spoken word has a huge percentage of the information. Yes, for sure, also in Germany, body language needs to be observed. But the quantity is so that the main content already is in the voice. It is already in the word. It's already in the spoken information. In India, the spoken information, based on analysis of some scientific researchers, says it's about 30% of information. The other 70% is in the air. What does that mean? We talked about the bobbling, the Indian bobble. It means just, I hear you. The question is, what else is happening? And you need to learn to see the signals. You need to read the air. Otherwise, when you go with your German mindset there and you just listen to the words, you gain a maximum of 30% of the information. I made this failure. Quite often, I had to learn my lessons. But you can do it different. The Indian Head Bobble is the ultimate high context signal. It is not a mathematical yes or no. It is a gesture of active listening, respect, and social harmony. Most of the time, it simply means, I hear you. I acknowledge your authority. I am processing your request. So, here is your executive action plan for reading the air. Stop demanding a binary answer when you see the bobble. Instead, observe the energy. A fast, vigorous bobble usually means an enthusiastic agreement. But if you see a slow, hesitant bobble, it can be a massive warning signal. It means they might see a critical flaw in your plan, but they are too polite to say no to your face. When you see a sad, slow bobble, do not push for a yes. Immediately switch to the Socratic questions we discussed in the last video. Ask for their expert advice, and they will reveal the hidden risks. In our next and the final video of this series, we will pull everything together into your ultimate executive action plan. The Synergist Blueprint for India. Hit the subscribe button right now, so you can't miss the grand final. I am Andy Balbus, and I will see you in the next masterclass. Thank you for watching.